Hello everyone, welcome to Blup 101 series. So after telling you how you can add pre-built widgets, we are back with another video. In this video, we are diving into the essential aspects of app development. Specifically, we'll explore the art of navigating between app pages and the crucial steps to get your app up and running on your device. We'll pick up where we left off in the previous video. So let's dive right in and learn how to make your app's navigation smooth and efficient. To navigate between pages, we'll use the login button. Click on the login button to access our new page. To do this, right-click on the login button and select Add Logics. Now move this text button node to the center. Great! Next, right-click on the canvas and choose the Page Navigator node. Yeah, just like this. Select our new page to navigate to it. Now hook this on-click to the Run node point. It looks like this. Close it and run the app to see the changes. Now let's view the details. Our app is running. Please wait for the build. This may take a couple of minutes.
One eternity later.
Alright, it's done. So now if we click on the login button, it will take us to the new page where we'll display all the right details. There's a confirm Uber button, but here it's showing an error because we haven't added the Google Maps API ID. That's why it's displaying an error. If you add the Google Maps API ID here, the error will disappear and you'll be able to see the Google Map. So this is how you'll navigate between pages and run your app. As we wrap up this tutorial, we hope you have gained a solid understanding of how to navigate between app pages and successfully run your app on your device. Remember that practice makes you perfect, and with dedication, you can master the art of app development. So until we come back with a new video, you guys keep blupping.